Alright gang, welcome back to part 2 of the Stihl 020 AV rebuild. I'm going to do the carb and complete the disassembly here, so stick around and welcome to man time. Look at there. I know I'm going to have to remove this clutch, and I'm just trying to figure out here again, how the heck do you get that thing to spin off of there? Yeah, I'll have to take the spark plug out, and then shove a rag down in there again. And that's just the cutest little thing, though. K10 WAT. Oh, bro. Got enough goodies for everybody. Alright, let's start on the easy side of it here. Got a little ridge in it. I'll go ahead and use the new one here. Now one thing I want to check is for the lower end compression in the engine. I guess I'm going to do that the hard way here. Okay, so what I just did there was I moved the piston down to the bottom of the stroke, and I was blowing in there and I heard air coming out somewhere. And it sounded like it was on this side. I don't know if I was hearing it through the exhaust here, or if it was coming from a seal down here. But I think I need to investigate that further, because this it wasn't running, and there wasn't anything major in the carburetor there that I saw that would keep it from running. So.